Okay, so now in this video, we have to differentiate with respect to the variable involved. Now, the variable for cos root x is x, and the variable for sine entire root x is again x. Okay, so we have to use these variables in our differential calculating process. So we have dy by d. Now, what is the variable? It is x. So d by dx. So d by dx cos root x, I can write it as x power 1 by 2 plus d by dx sine x 1 by 2. The derivative of cos is actually negative sine, right? So I can write negative sine x power 1 by 2. And the derivative of the angle, now what is the angle? This thing right over here, x power 1 by 2. Okay, so I have to take the derivative of d by dx x 1 by 2. Now remember, 1 by 2, which is actually the power, is present over the angle. Okay, it is not present over the function, the trigonometric function. It is not present over cos. It is present over the angle. So I have to take that into consideration while I'm calculating the derivative of the angle. Now, if you see over here, we have derivative of sine x entire power, whole power 1 by 2. So we have the whole power right over here. So the power would be at the beginning, sine x power minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 is actually minus 1 by 2 multiplied by the derivative of the angle. Now what is the angle? The angle is anything which is present under the power, that is sine x. So d by dx sine x. So I hope that makes sense. Minus sine x 1 by 2, and over here we would have power at the beginning function power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So I can write this sine x power 1 by 2 in the denominator because then it would be reciprocated. So it would be positive multiplied by the derivative of sine x is actually cos theta, cos x, sorry. And then the derivative of the angle. So the angle is actually x, so d by dx x, and this would be cancelled, so it would be remaining by 1. Okay, so minus sine 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 divided by, I can take this x power negative 1 by 2 into the denominator because then it would be divided and it would become positive, so I will have positive power. This is being multiplied, right? So I can write them as 2 sine x power 1 by 2 and this thing right over here, so cos x. Okay, and then this thing is actually 2 x 1 by 2. These are being multiplied, so it can be written as minus sine x 1 by 2 plus cos x divided by 2 sine x power 1 by 2. We can see that the 2 and the 2 are common, so they can be taken out as common. We can write it as 1 divided by 2 x, right, power 1 by 2 plus sine x power 1 by 2. We have just taken out 1 divided by 2 common. Those won't be included over here. So we are left with minus sine x power 1 by 2 plus cos x. Okay, this is actually the negative term. So I can write it in a much simpler form, and that would be cos x divided by root of sine x, because this is the power 1 by 2 and the power 1 by 2 actually represents root x, right? If we are having x with a power 1 by 2, then it would be root x. So I can write sine x power 1 by 2 as root sine x minus the negative sign. Sine x, again the same thing, root x divided by again root x. This is the final derivative, and I hope that makes sense. If you have any queries related to this video, you can email me at mstest866@gmail.com, or you can simply drop a comment below this video. I will try my best to respond to you as accurately as possible. Okay, thank you.